guys, I'm Leah.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to our first YouTube video. Woo!
So today we're driving about 30 minutes south of Quartzsite. We are driving to Palm Canyon. They are the only naturally growing palm trees in the state of Arizona, which is really cool. And then we're also going to be checking out the Spiral Labyrinth today. We're going to be seeing what that's about. It's a handmade thing, so we're going to be checking that out. And yeah, come along with us. All right, so we're on Palm Canyon Road right now. We have about 2.5 miles to the Spiral Labyrinth, but to get to Palm Canyon, the parking lot and the beginning of the trailhead, it's 7 miles down this road here.
If you drive slow, you'll be fine. The road is a little bit bumpy and a little bit of gravel, but it's not bad. Just got to the Spiral Labyrinth, and our dog Amber's going to be staying in a car for right now. She has some bones and dog mode will be turned on, so she will be fine.
Hey, so I thought I'd just tell you guys a little bit about the stone labyrinth that we're at. It is human-made. It's supposed to be a meditative and relaxing place to come. So what you're supposed to do is start at the entrance here and walk all the way around. Reviews online and on All Trails, the hiking app we'll be using today, says it's a little over half a mile, and it takes about 30 to 40 minutes if you do the full thing. So we will be doing that today, and I'll be playing a little bit of my drum in the middle. All right, so I brought something today. I thought to myself, hey, we're coming somewhere peaceful and meditative, and I thought I'd bring something that kind of helps me put myself in that headspace. So I brought today, it is a 8-tune pan drum. Hope I'm calling it the right thing. And we'll be playing a little bit of it once we're in the middle.
And I brought some painted rocks to leave in the middle. I am a professional rock painter. I sell these rocks on Etsy, Rosie Rock Shop. Or message me, email me in my link tree. But I brought 3 rocks to donate, a yin and yang, an evil eye, and just a really pretty flower one. I will be leaving these. And then I also brought some crystals. While Alex plays the drum, we will meditate. And I brought a good amount. To quickly go over what I brought, it looks like amethyst, carnelian, rose quartz, green aventurine, angelite, fluorite, golden quartz, rainbow moonstone, mookaite, and watermelon quartz. This must have taken forever to make. It is so intricate and mesmerizing to look at. You don't have to jump over any lines. It follows a natural progression in the spiral towards the middle.
All right, so I made it to the center. Bunch of stuff there. We're going to check it out. It took me 12 minutes and it was 0.6 miles. It was also 1,197 steps for me.
Reached the center and it took me 1,240 steps and 14 minutes.
I don't know how to play, by the way. I'm just hitting whatever feels natural to me. It's relaxing. The vibrations are relaxing. We're in a relaxing place, so it feels good.
Leaving behind my rocks that I painted.
Very nice, very cool, very relaxing. A good place to pray and reflect and relax.
I really liked it too. It was very peaceful, relaxing, calming, and there was a lot of little knickknacks in the center, which were really cool to see. It says Kofa National Wildlife Refuge. We are on our way to Palm Canyon. It's right up there. Alex is right now checking out what this structure is.
Got like information stuff. I'm a maps guy and I like to read stuff, so yeah, some information on the Palm Canyon Trail and then information about public use and hunting in the refugee. Cool. Palm Canyon. Wow.
This is what the area is looking like. It's beautiful here. This is the only naturally occurring place for fan palms in all of Arizona. They only grow naturally here. All other places they are planted. Force your dog to exercise. Make them chase a drone. She's tuckered out.
So we've arrived at the Palm Canyon trailhead. You'll notice behind us are the Kofa Mountains. This is the starting point of the Palm Canyon trailhead to see the California fan palms. So we're gonna go check that out now and come along with us.
Pause the video if you want more time to read this.
Amber.
Plenty of maps. It's a bit rocky. We just reached the top and the elevation gain was 246 feet. The distance was 0.5 miles. I did 1,304 steps and my total time reaching here was 20 minutes.
All right, so we made it to the palms. I have 1,288 steps since we left my car. We're at 2,300 feet right now, and it took me 17 minutes. Should've brought my camping chair. Yeah, this is where the Palm Canyon Trail ends, yep. So since we're in a canyon, there's a really loud echo. I don't know, I just think this is pretty cool.
That's loud.
Maybe not, that sounds like a gunshot.
Leaving now, the canyon walls, it is just simply breathtaking. The palm trees are pretty cool to see. I wish they were a little bit closer, but really beautiful. The light hit them just right where they really shone. There is a very loud echo here because it is in the middle of a canyon, but I would recommend it. It is a little bit rocky and difficult to get up here, but worth the journey. Downhill is easy. This is nothing compared to uphill. Uphill was on the rougher side. This is like smooth walk. Amber is so tired chasing a drone and then going on a long hike. She's exhausted. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our first ever YouTube video. We had a lot of fun today. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and comment any other places in Arizona you would love to see us check out. Thanks for watching. Bye! Bye.